So really quick. Oh man, it's starting to rain. Okay, we have a Nissan here, Sentra, I think it's 2012. The windows, this window doesn't go up or down. This works. The other one works. This one works, okay. The locks work and everything, okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get here and move this. See, maybe something is going on. It's not helping. Nope, nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna have to disassemble this thing, this door panel, to get to this wiring for the switch. Okay, turns out I didn't have to remove this whole thing. There was just a cover right here and I had to remove the screw, the Phillips screw, and this came out. Okay, now to test this thing, we have to test for the power in, and the power in is that, let me try to show you. I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Okay, power in is this, see this red. I'm gonna try to put this thing in, and then as you can see, this lights up, so we have power coming in on that white with the red stripe wire. Okay, let me show you once again. It's this wire that I'm pointing to, this wire right here. So we have power coming in. Now to test the power coming out, we have to test this blue with the red stripe, and also another blue which is down there behind this red one. Okay, so when I set my test light for that blue with the red stripe, when I press this thing, it should light up, but it doesn't. And I apologize, I do not have the wiring diagram on me right now, but I looked it up. And then I do the same with the other one. Okay. I'm doing the test of my battery. I found my two wires, and when I touch them both, I'll try to show you. One wire goes to that blue, and then the other one, oh boy, let me try to set it up. Okay, see, my window opened up. I'm gonna push this somehow. Let's see. Try to push it. Look at that. It's going down. Now I'm gonna reverse these. Okay, if you notice, they're reversed right now. I'm gonna push it all the way in. Okay, just gotta keep them both together. Okay, my battery is going dead, but it did go up. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's great working outside now. It's raining pretty bad. Okay, so this guy right here, this switch is no good. You can take it out of there using Torx. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This switch is gonna need to be replaced. So for now, I'm gonna leave this like that. I installed this panel. There's this screw, this bolt, and this screw. Just gotta put this back right there. So, like I showed you, this is the switch. I'm gonna wait until the owner gets a new one. And that's it.
Alright, perfect. So just jump in, see if you like it. Let me know, okay? Go ahead. How nice it is to have windows, huh? Operating.